The upcoming iPhone from Apple is the subject of constant rumors, and the event is quickly approaching. This time, there is a significant last-minute leak about the dynamic island. A large camera bulge on the back and a new metal unibody design are just two examples of the design leaks we have seen thus far. It's interesting, though, that the dynamic island hasn't really been discussed. Since the iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max, the dynamic island has essentially not changed. According to this last-minute leak, the iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max's dynamic island is getting smaller. Compared to the one on the current iPhone 16 model, it will be somewhat smaller. This source indicates that the dynamic island will be roughly 0.5 centimeters smaller than the iPhone 16 Pro's existing 2 centimeters cutout, according to Mac Rumors. An image of the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max's leaked front display even shows a large display canvas with a somewhat smaller dynamic island. Should this prove to be accurate, it will be significant and might serve as yet another compelling argument for upgrading to the iPhone 17 Pro versions this year. It appears that Apple is making the move this year, despite earlier rumors that the company will only reduce the dynamic island starting in 2026. We will also receive an anti-reflective display coating, similar to what Samsung uses, in addition to that larger screen. Readability will be much enhanced and reflections will be significantly reduced, especially outside. According to other reports, this year's iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max will also have brighter screens. Currently, phones such as the Galaxy S25 Ultra can reach up to 3000 nits of brightness, while the iPhone 16 Pro can only reach 2000 nits. According to reports, Apple intends to increase brightness levels this year as well. Furthermore, according to a screen protector manufacturer, the dynamic island size has shrunk by almost 25% this year. The likelihood of a smaller dynamic island appears to be even more likely now that other sources are pointing in the same direction. Without the black pill at the top of the screen to divert them, users would have more room to consume material. It's interesting to note that the Galaxy S26 Edge's design resembles that of the iPhone 17 Pro in leaked renders. It appears that numerous businesses will probably replicate this design language and the liquid glass appearance once more. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.